Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you hidden privacy settings you should know about on HUAWEI Pura 8C Ultra. So go into the settings and then privacy, and we have the permission manager. You can right here search by the permission, for example the camera, and allow or deny every app. Then go back to image privacy. Protect your privacy by preventing apps from accessing sensitive data stored within images such as location info and timestamps, but this restriction does not apply to system apps such as gallery and cloud. You can remove the location info right here or remove other info includes device name and timestamps. Go into the super privacy mode right now. Here, super privacy mode prevents apps from accessing your device camera, microphone, and location. This mode can be accessed from the control panel. And last but not least, we have the private space. What is the private space? Private space is completely separate space where you can store files, information, and other data that's just for you. Set a unique PIN, pattern, or password to create your private space. Once it's set up, you can access it directly from the lock screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.